In this tutorial, we will make Christmas video in Filmora 14. Here, I have already imported our media. Now, we will click on Stock Media and then click on Christmas section. Here, you will get so many videos related to Christmas. I am taking this video for our project. Now, I will add media on it. And then, I will arrange all media until it looks some creative. So watch carefully. Now, I will add some title from Christmas section. Now, I will add some stickers from Christmas section. Now, I am adding video frame from effect section. Then after, adding video shadow from here. Next, I will add some Christmas transition in this project. At last, I will add some Christmas music. Here I am adding it from our local file. You can search in the audio section. Now it's ready to export.